Boss Metal Zone MT-2 pedal demo. Here's the sound of my guitar on tone. I set it up to the neck pickup. Then let's activate the metal zone. All the knobs are set in the middle. Now let's adjust the low knob all the way up. Then all the way down, or let's set it back to the middle. Then all the way down. Now let's do the same thing on the low or the high knob here. Up and down. Same thing with the middle frequency or middle knob here. All the way up. All the way down. Then let's do the same thing with the mid frequency, all the way up, and all the way down. And let's adjust the distortion. All the way up and all the way down. So this is the crunch mode. Now let's set it back. Let's set all the knobs back in the middle. Boss Metal Zone.